Okay, today we're going to be looking at race responses. These are evidence-based paragraphs, and they really make you a better writer. RACE stands for restate. That's where you take the question and turn it into a statement. Answer, you answer the question being asked. Cite evidence, you use a piece of evidence to support your position, and you tell the reader where this information is coming from. That's the cite part. And then E, explain. You're explaining why you're using this piece of evidence that you chose. So if you look at this example from Garfield, my question is, how does Garfield treat Odie? Well, if I'm going to write a race response about this, to answer the question, how does Garfield treat Odie, first I have to restate. Get rid of these question words and just turn it into a statement. Garfield treats Odie, and my answer is unkindly. This would all be one sentence here. Now I need to cite some evidence. So I'm going to go to this handout that I gave you guys, and I'm going to choose this one. For example, in the video, I'm not going to say, for example, you could, but I'm just going to say in the comic, Garfield calls Odie's name to get him to come, but then he kicks him off the table. Okay, that's a good piece of evidence that definitely shows Garfield treats him unkindly. Now I need to explain why I'm giving this piece of evidence. Why am I using it in this paragraph? Go back to here. In the explain, you've got some examples. I'm going to go with this evidence shows. So this evidence shows that Garfield does not think highly of Odie. That's why I'm giving this piece of evidence. And these two pieces support this idea that Garfield treats Odie unkindly. All right, let's do another one, but let's do this one together. So does Garfield have a big appetite? Okay. We have this picture here of Garfield, and now we have to decide if he has a big appetite or not. Oops, wrong question. So does Garfield have a big appetite? Okay, let's restate this. Get rid of the question word and just say Garfield's appetite is enormous. Cite some evidence. Okay, we could say, like, according to the comic, we're citing, we're saying where we got it from. Garfield is eating a sandwich that is bigger than he is, bigger than him. Okay, why am I giving this piece of evidence? Okay, why is this supported? Well, I could say, I could just go with this evidence shows again. This evidence shows that Garfield really enjoys his meals. Okay, now this shows me, this is explaining why I'm using this. All right, and both these together are supporting the idea that Garfield has an enormous appetite.